Nelly Korda is an American professional golfer. She was born on July 28, 1998 in Bradenton, Florida, United States. She plays on the LPGA Tour where she was won 6 times. On August 5, 2021 in round 2 of the Ladies Golf Olympics in Japan, Korda stood on the 18th tee at 11 for her round and a birdie on the 18th would have been a round of 59 but she double bogeyed the hole for a 62. On August 7, Korda won the gold medal. She became the second American woman to win gold. Korda is the daughter of retired Czech professional tennis players Petr Korda and Regina. Her father is a tennis Grand Slam champion who won the 1998 Australian Open crown. Her younger brother Sebastian won the 2018 Australian Open tennis title in the boys division. Her sister Jessica Korda also plays on the LPGA Tour. Since the end of 2019, she is dating Canadian NHL player Andreas Athanasiou of the Los Angeles Kings. On June 27, 2021, Korda won her first major at the KPMG Women's PGA Championship at the Atlanta Athletic Club. In the final round, Korda shot a 4 under 68 and won by 3 strokes over Liget Salas. With the win, Korda became the number 1 player in the world. On June 20, 2021, Korda won the Mayer LPGA Classic in Grand Rapids, Michigan, becoming the first 2-time winner on the LPGA during the 2021 season. She shot a career-best 62 on Saturday to take a lead into the final round. On February 28, 2021, Korda won the Greenbridge LPGA at Boca Rio at Lake Nona Golf and Country Club in Orlando, Florida. On September 22, 2019, Korda shot a 4 under par 67 in blustery conditions and won the Lacoste Ladies Open de France by 8 shots. On November 3, 2019, Korda defended her title at the Taiwan Swinging Scars LPGA in a playoff. On October 28, 2018, Korda won the Swinging Scars LPGA Taiwan Championship in Taoyuan, Taiwan for her first LPGA Tour title. This win made her and her sister Jessica Korda the third pair of sisters to win in LPGA history.